How to hide Instagram notification on lock screen. So to do that, first you need to head over to your Instagram settings. So long press on it and go to your app info. And you have quite a few options right here. So just tap on notification. And from here, as you can see, lock screen notification is allowed. You can completely turn it off, or if you don't want anyone to see just the message, then you can hide the content. To do that, tap on lock screen notification. Right now it's on show content, so it will show everything, messages. If someone mentions you, everything will be shown on the lock screen. But in order to hide the content, you can just select hide content, and after this your content should be hide. There is one more option that you can do, that is you can completely turn off your lock screen notification settings. So just tap on notifications and then tap on lock screen notifications, and here show content. On show content, all of these apps are selected. You can choose only specific apps that you want to show the notification on lock screen, or you can hide content for all the apps. Doing this will hide every content. You just will be able to see the notification, but you won't be able to see what's in the notification. It will basically hide all of its content. And after you do that, it should look something like this. So once you've hidden your notification, it only shows Instagram but not the notification preview. And that's how you hide lock screen notification from Instagram. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.